Hi, we're talking about auto exposure and the reasons why I use it for my flying. Go into camera settings and instead of manual or M, press auto. Next, you need to press the little green square into a yellow circle or exposure point. Tap anywhere on the screen and the exposure point will show up. All you have to do now is to set it where you like. Set your EV levels and then you can tap anywhere you like just to get the right exposure. I normally put it in the bottom right hand corner. As you can see, I'm tapping all over the screens to give you the extremes of what the exposure would be. The next example is me flying in a roundabout way. I normally fly in a circle or an orbit around the vehicle, and this would cause the light to change as I go around. Tapping the exposure point on the subject will make the subject constantly at a regular exposure. This doesn't get rid of sun glare, as you can see here, but instead it allows for dynamic light changes from flying from the ground up to the air and flying 360 all around. From experience, I've noticed that putting the exposure point to the bottom and right usually helps with overall picture. I hope that this video helps in your flying examples. Follow the live drone broadcast channel on Facebook for some more hints and tips, and I'll see you again.